Attention all cars, we have a bull in downtown Red Bluff. Bull loose, bull loose. Bull loose in downtown Red Bluff.
Downtown Red Bluff. Yeah, no, don't send any help. He's already totaled 2 cop cars, and yes, he's even knocked Mace McIntosh off his high horse. No, don't send any more cops. I think we're gonna need some cowboys out here. And none of them pussy-ass cowboys from the Palomino room. John Growney, damn it!
Well, there was no need to take my name in vain, Officer O'Mary. Now that I'm here, as Red Rock is my witness, I'll solve this problem. So you just go ahead and ticket some skateboarders or something, and I'll do my best to find this renegade bull. Hi-yo, Sticky, away! John Growney, you might recognize me. Didn't I sell you a car? Sorry about that. You might see this bull. He's a pretty bad bull, I think. He's got a real excellent attitude. Hey, Mr. Bull! God, I was thinking away! Got him all trussed up and ready for the sale. It's a good thing this is Red Bluff, bull. If it was corny, I'd have bit your balls out. Next time you have a problem with the bull, give John Growney a call.